How to turn on text wrap on Opera Mini. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn on text wrap easily and fast on your Opera browser. So first thing, go to Opera. Now this is the home page. As you can see, go down here and click on this option. Click here, scroll down until you find page layout option. Click on it, and here is the text wrap. You can enable it from here easily. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.